Hello students! The best way to keep track of what assignments are due or where you need to be is to use your Google Calendar. On the right side of your email, you will see a square with a 31 in it. You want to click on that to open the calendar in your email. From there, you are able to create events or list tasks that you need to do on certain days. So, if I have a counseling meeting on Saturday, January 23rd at 9 o'clock, I want to double click by 9 a.m. I want to title that as my counseling meeting. I want to make sure that the times are set up correctly from 9 to 10 a.m. If you're doing this Google Meet, you want to click on that so you have a link for that. You want to add in whoever is in your meeting by adding guests. You can also write notes to remind yourself of what to talk about or what the meeting will be about. A great way to make sure that you don't forget is to set an alarm. You can choose the various times of when you would want to be alerted so that you do not forget. Once you are done with that, you would press save and it would send an invite or a calendar invite to the person that you want to have it with. You can also do this with assignments, meetings, or anything else you may need. This is a great way to keep track of what you need to do and make sure you have it done on time.